Okay, this is a video for year one games, computer game story development. Now, once you've completed your 6 scene sets, which is the paragraphs in which you're describing what is happening in an entire scene that's taking place in your game, and you've done 6 of them, you then have to create 6 scripts. Now, I've created 2 scripts here, 2 very, very short ones. Yours will probably, some of them be a lot longer, of the dialogue that is going to be said during this. All right, during these scenes. So, for example, now maybe none of these people don't know this story makes sense to you, but these ones is ones that I'm using for an example. All right. So, scene one, as you see, a script must be laid out in a way that if you were to hand these to voice actors, they would have no problem knowing where they start, where they stop, and in what kind of a tone they say this in. All right, because it's only voice actors, it means that they need to know what way to speak, what way to say the sentence. So you'll see scene one. Now, this would be an opening scene to a game, enlightening on how the game story is starting. So you'll see that screen one or scene one script, the narrator is talking. So the people's names should always be bolded. And that's how somebody will know, right? They're looking for a name here, bold. Next thing then, a direction on how they should talk or say something should be then done in italics. So I'll know if I'm the narrator, I see my line here, in a dark and deep voice, I'll say, so opening quote marks. So that's the 3 things you need to remember. Every person must be bolded. Any direction you're giving them on how to speak or say something must be in italic. And then anything you want them to physically say should be in speech marks. All right, so I'm the narrator, in deep, dark voice. Through the ages, the galaxy has had an elite army known as Guardians. This army has helped repel the darkness from what remains of the light which is left in this world. 1, 2, 3-second pause there. Through the ages, the darkness has appeared in many forms, from the House of Wolves to the Siva virus. But now Siva has returned more powerful than ever, threatening not only to take over the Earth, but also to take over the galaxy. It is now time for the galaxy to call upon, etc. So me as a voice actor, I would know there what I'm saying, how I'm saying it, where I'm saying it, and how long of a pause there is there. And you'll see at the end, screen fades out and the game titles fade in. So that's the beginning, an opening scene of a game. Now this is another one I took that shows multiple characters. All right, now I just took a few lines of it because the real thing was like 3 pages long. But you see here, the 3 characters are Commander Zavala, Ikora Rey, and Katie. All right, so Commander Zavala in a happy tone. Welcome back, Guardian. Ikora Rey in a dull tone as if hiding something dark. Welcome back, Guardian. Katie, oh, actually been Katie 6. I don't know why they were called 6, but sounding as if they're glad to say, hey, Guardian. And then there's a 2-second pause. Then Commander Zavala, the actor will note in a saddened and foreshadowing voice, a great darkness has arisen, Guardian. And then Ikora sounding scared, yes, a great darkness has come, and I fear we're unable to stop it. So that's how, so them 3 people that's going to be sounding or speaking for them actors, they would know where they're coming in at, what kind of a way or tone they're saying it in, and what they're saying because it's in quote marks. All right, that's how you create very simple scripts. All right, how you make a pass merit distinction out of these scripts is the detail, the level of detail in the text, and the level of detail in the direction which you're giving them to do. All right, that is major. All right, so I know I have given you your deadline for scene sets, but this is a video in which you can start to create your scripts, and I want them extremely detailed. All right, thank you.